6 words that will destroy your manifestation and dreams. Beware. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So high flyers, our language is absolutely essential to manifesting what we desire. We as human beings have words, and these words are packets of information, like a computer. You know, they're packets of information, but they also have the ability to ignite emotions. And once you ignite an emotion, those emotions bloom forth into feelings. And either the feelings are productive and will help you manifest more of what you desire, or they're destructive and will work against your deepest desire. So let's go through these words because they're very, very important. So high flyers, don't you just hate it when people use the word hate? Well, hate is the word, and it's an overused word, and it's a word that your subconscious mind oftentimes just eliminates. So if you say, I hate eating meat, for example, what you're really saying is, I eat meat. That's what your subconscious mind hears. I hate being fat. What your subconscious mind hears is, I am fat. So eliminating the word hate is a positive thing. Don't you just hate it? People say that all the time. I hate it when he calls me and does this. When you use hate, it's a powerful word, and it's oftentimes attracting more of the same kind of behavior from other people. I hate it when people keep cutting me off the road. Well, they keep cutting you off the road because you hate it, and you keep using that word, and so you keep sending out that vibe, that energy, and that's what you attract. So give up the word hate. I know it's tough, but look it, you can find other words that you can substitute for it. Hate is not a good word. It's an anti-manifestation word. Well, high flyers, the second word is should. And this is a word that is overused. You should do that. It's a very parental word, you know. So we hear that from people who take on what we call a parental role in our lives. You should be doing it this way. You shouldn't do it that way. Don't do it this way. You should try it this way. You know, they try to say it in a positive way. There are no shoulds in life. There are no shoulds. You're going to do what you're going to do. You are here to live your life on purpose. In other words, you're here to live with your own dreams, your own goals, and there's no should involved. Okay? So when you hear it from other people, just kind of cross it out in your mind, blank it out. And when you use it yourself, well, make a habit of giving it up, not using it. Okay? You shouldn't do that, right? Okay. Well, number 3 is never. And, you know, you hear people say, well, never say never. Well, I say never say never, never. In other words, never is a word that is limiting. It's a limited belief word. And so it's a word that doesn't belong in your powerful, optimistic, manifesting vocabulary. So give up the word never, because it says that this can never happen. And think about all the things that people said could never happen that have now happened. Think of all the things that you've been through in your own life where you thought, this will never happen. And sure enough, it happened. You know, it's a word that doesn't belong in your vocabulary, and it's a word that limits your growth and expectations. Well, I just can't do that. I mean, high flyers, I'm too broke. I can't afford it. I'm too poor. Broke, poor, busted. These are all words that limit the flow of abundance, the flow of prosperity, the flow of wealth into your life. So think about those words: abundance, prosperity, wealth. Anytime you feel like using the word poor or I'm broke, use one of those three words instead. It will make all the difference. Within a short period of time, you will begin to see money begin to flow into your life in easy ways. I mean, you'll go, where in the heck did that come from? I didn't expect that pile of money. Well, high flyers, the next word that I hear people that are becoming manifestors, but they still use this word. Oh, I can't do that. I can't start that business. I can't apply for that job. I'm way out of their league. They're way up here and I'm way down here. I can't call him. He'll think I'm desperate if I call him. You know, they use the word can't. And I know you're not using that word anymore. You've given up the word can't. There are other ways of expressing it other than saying can't. You can say, I choose not to take that action at this time. But when you use the word can't, you start to build walls around yourself. I can't do this, I can't do that, I can't do this. And pretty soon you add to the can'ts. The can'ts start piling up on themselves. And pretty soon there's can'ts everywhere. Everything is limited. And you have a very small universe. And your ability to manifest your deepest desires and dreams is deeply diminished. Well, high flyers, if there's anything that I have learned is that nothing is impossible. So I've chosen to stop using the word impossible. Nothing is impossible, so therefore, why even bother with the word? Oh, that's impossible. He's never going to do that. Well, why would you say that? Why would you limit your potential? Limit your ability to manifest your deepest desires and dreams. So nothing is impossible. Everything is possible with an infinite, all-powerful universe. And you are part of that universe. That universe is within you, and you are within that universe. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. And remember, we're here 5 days a week. So be sure and subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon. You have a great day now. Bye-bye.